Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the channel The DIY Singh. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to install LED lamps in reverse lights of 2020 Corolla LE. So let's begin with the description of the product first. As you can see friends, I have these two lamps. These are LED lamps purchased from Amazon. These two lamps, these are actually 360-degree. It has lamps on its 5 sides, so that light can be reflected in all the direction and the light intensity is very high. These lamps you can get from Amazon. I will provide the uh, product link in the description so that you can click and purchase these lamps. So these lamps are white in color and intensity is quite good. I have checked them already. So these lamps are approximately for $17 to $18. These two lamps, it comes in a pair. So let's begin with the installation. This installation is very easy. I will show you step by step installation. As you can see friends, the light is intensity is very less and it's in yellow color. So friends, first of all, the light is located here, as you can see, and we can easily access the light from or we can remove these push locks, or no need to remove the push locks. Simply you will find one grip. You have to rotate it anti-clockwise and the lamp will be out. As you can see, simply open it and make sure the polarity negative and positive should be in proper manner, and don't let the light to touch at any surface, naked body surface. You can put it here and check by putting it into the reverse gear. As you can see friends, the lamp is working, so the polarity is okay. Similarly, we will check from the other lamp also by removing it. Remove it. It's also working properly. So before putting, just make sure to switch off the lights, because if it will touch any naked surface of the car, then it may cause the short circuit with the body and it may lead to some circuit damage. So always make sure that the whatever works you are doing, it should be done in proper insulation manner. Before putting it, make sure it's tight on its place and simply rotate it clockwise and the holder will be locked. This side also, put it on the place, rotate it clockwise, it will be on its place. Everything is done. So now I will put the car in reverse gear and I will show it to you. Now friends, you can see the big difference. The reverse lights are now white. The intensity is quite high. So friends, it hardly took 3 to 4 minutes to replace the lamps in reverse lights of 2020 Corolla LE. So hope this video will help you out in doing the same. Make sure you do everything in a proper way. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.